Yeah, Uncle A.Zee fames. I got the realest hater checklist ever. See, number one, hey Mr. Hater, do you have any credentials or can you do better than the person you're about to hate on? Are you better than that person you're about to tell his shit? Are you sure of that? Do you have the credentials to back that up? Number two, are you watching what they do, talking shit from the sideline? Or did they hold a gun to your head and make you watch that video? Number three, chances are the people you're hating on, because the numbers are good, we get paid off the videos. So much love to everyone that watches my video with hatred in your hearts. It doesn't matter, I get paid for views, not for comments. Big fat east side salute. Much love to you and yours from me and my whānau. Stay solid, fams. Don't worry about a hater. There's always that one dickhead, that one Karen. Yeah, much love. AZEE, east side forever.